used to that, man.
You used to
that.
Yeah, that shit coming out of nowhere.
Let's gang ENT. We in here. We ain't going nowhere.
Outside, bitch.
Can't beat us, join us, nigga.
Been sitting in the county for about 8 months now. Been looking for a jewel, but now they screaming try. This shit wild, but it's real. My co-defendant went state and jumped on the deal. He fed the nigga to the Ku Klux Klan to get killed. So as I sit in this courtroom waiting for a verdict, situation like deja vu, cause I done seen and heard it. When the judge spoke the words, man, that shit hurt it. Found defendant guilty. 4 years in the Florida State Penitentiary. Shit fucked me up mentally, but physically I was all in, standing on 10 with my head up high. Ain't no tears coming out my eyes. Ain't like the verdict gon' change if a nigga cry. You see, I was raised by a real Jesus who taught me never wear emotions on your sleeve, so the pain that I feel these crackers never gon' see. Men into society is what they label me. They say prison gon' rehabilitate me. Cracker, please, this a small seed to a giant. Let me give you the science. Without darkness, there is no light. Without love, there is no right. I say that to say this. Knew the consequences on this life and this road that I chose. No regrets that I owe. Rope around my neck, but it's gold. Know you wish it were the opposite, but I still won't fold. It be the realest shit I ever spoke. But it is what it is. Came out this big, gotta get it how I live. But to them streets I was true. Hard time don't last long, real niggas do. So I'ma keep a smile on my face and say the tears for a dead bitch in the grave. Don't worry about my weight, cause I hold my shit down like a fat kid trying to do a sit up. You niggas ain't fucking with the kids since I got my chips up. First of all, let me start off by wishing that you answer my call. See, God hit the situation. I'm going through a lot of frustration that got me stressing, and I got a lot of questions. Your words say when you do right, you earn a lot of blessings. But when I do right, I get chastised. Not only me, but the people that's in my life. I really been debating on committing suicide. My big brother got shot. On top of that, he caught 75. And Kevin got shot 7 times, but he lived. My sister, baby daddy shitting on the kids, and Big Mac caught a boat. My other sister got robbed in front of the stove. God, how I ended up before I'm my first defense. Do that make sense? While my mama struggling. You know it's hard on this road. I thought you was supposed to keep me warm when I was cold, cause my daddy getting old, but he's still standing strong and bold, and putting food in the bowl, making sure that things right in the household. I know one day he gotta go, but the stress gon' kill him before it kill me, and it's something I ain't trying to see. My little brother Steve trying not to fall victim to the system. My other brother Evans only worried about tricking. I try to spit game, but he don't listen. It must be something that I'm missing. Is it because I'm sinning or how I'm living? But every time I try to do right, a pussy nigga walk up in my life. So I gotta grit it still. I try to put the drugs good down, but I gotta help my mama pay them bills. Hard times ain't what it is. Gotta be some punishment. Fuck with the kid.